Today, everyone is talking about skincare, and internet is filled with skincare, morning and night skincare routine for flawless skin, glowing skin, and whatnot. Have you ever questioned yourself what the thing is that? Will skincare really gonna change my skin to better version? If so, then how to do that just simply at home? If these are your questions, then stay tuned till the end of the video.
I'll show you what is skincare and who needs skincare and how to do that by sitting at home with just 3 simple steps to get that glowing and healthy skin. Also, I have added more bonus tips here and there in the video, so do not skip the video and watch till the end.
And before that, if you're watching me for the first time, hello beauties, welcome to my channel. I'm Ashika and I'm all about skincare, hair care and passionate about addressing and resolving pigmentation, acne and even skin tone, hair fall, hair thinning and much more with properly formulated products. And this channel is all about letting you know what you actually needed for the glowing skin and healthy hair. So if you're madly into skincare and love exploring huge range of products, or you're just a beginner and don't know what is skincare and how to do that or where to start, then consider subscribing to my channel and turn on the bell icon to not miss any of my informative videos. Also, if you like anywhere in the video, hit the like button and share with your friends and family. And if you have any queries or doubts, feel free to comment below. And if you are facing any pigmentation or dark spot issues on your face and want to try some luxurious skincare brand, then check out the first link in the description box below right now. So without further ado, let's get into the video. What is skincare? Skincare is the range of practices that helps with skin appearance and bringing up the natural glow of the skin by supporting the healthy skin cycle, and which includes taking care of your skin by providing what it needs, such as proper cleansing and adding appropriate emollients to get the natural glow, and protecting it from all kinds of environmental stresses such as UV rays and pollution. So before going to know how to do skincare, let's think about who needs skincare in the first place. Who needs skincare? If you're a human with skin and want to maintain that natural glow, then you will need it. Also, if you want to improve any skin conditions such as pigmentation, acne, and even skin tone or facing wrinkle issues, then you will also need an effective skincare routine. Now let's check out how to do skincare at home with 3 simple steps. Skincare can be done with several steps, but these 3 steps in the morning and the evening is more than enough for the beginners or if you're looking for a basic skincare routine. And trust me guys, this simple yet correct form of skincare routine will change your skin for better. So to build that very basic and effective skincare routine, all you need is cleansing, moisturizing and protecting it from harmful sun rays by using sunscreen. The first step of the skincare routine is cleansing. What is cleansing? Cleansing is all about washing off all the impurities that accumulates during the day and removing the sunscreen that's been applied in the morning. And cleansing can be done in the morning and the evening. However, if you are on the drier or sensitive skin type, I recommend skipping cleansing at AM unless you do exercise and get more sweating by the morning. Why need cleansing? Is that necessary? Yeah. Cleansing or cleanser can make or ruin your skin. No matter what you put on your face, if it's not properly cleansed, then you're messing up with your skin and not letting the second step to do well. Yeah, if you didn't cleanse properly, your moisturizer won't work on your skin. So, how to do cleansing? All you need is a good cleanser of your skin type. Take out some little amount of the cleanser and lather it on with your hands and work it on your face for 60 to 30 seconds and wash it off with plain water and not warm water because warm water can cause sensitized skin and I absolutely avoid that. And some of the good cleansers in the market are Simple Refreshing Gel Face Wash, Cosrx Low pH Balance Face Wash, CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser, Neutrogena Extra Gentle Face Wash, and Fave Cleanser and much more. And here is your bonus tip. You might have heard of double cleansing and wondered why I skipped that. Double cleansing is not an essential step in your skincare routine. However, if you use heavy and waterproof sunscreen or you secrete more oil and have clogged pores, then you can consider adding it in your skincare routine. And some of the good oil cleansers in the market are Clay's Black Seed Oil Cleanser, Plum Cleansing Balm, Hada Labo Jacuzzion Cleansing Oil, and much more. The second step of the skincare routine is moisturizing. What is moisturizing? Moisturizing is all about adding some emollients to relieve the dry skin and hydrating the dehydrated skin to bring back that natural glow. Why need moisturizing? To keep your skin healthy and glowing, you need to moisturize it properly. But there is a biggest myth that oily skin people don't need moisturizer as they have oiliness within their skin and that helps in moisturizing their skin. But no, that's not the case. Moisturizing doesn't only mean to add on moisture to your skin, it also means to add hydration to your skin, which helps to keep us glowing and healthy. For just an example, we all know our body needs water. Likewise, our skin also needs hydration, and if it's on oily side, it needs the correct proportion of hydration and moisturization. So, how to do moisturizing? After cleansing your face, just pat it on with a clean cloth and don't leave it too dry. Just on a damp skin, apply a little amount of moisturizer by dotting and massaging it slightly in a circular motion. Voila, you're done with your night skincare routine. During the morning, follow it up with a sunscreen in a gap of 10 minutes. Some of the good moisturizer in the market are Sun Jung Emulsion Moist Relief All-in-One Gel, Cosrx Ultimate Nourishing Rice Overnight Sleeping Mask, Rovectin Lotus Water Cream, CeraVe Moisturizing Cream, Purito Centella Unscented Recovery Cream, CeraVe PM Lotion, Dear Clay's Fundamental Water Gel Cream, and much more. Here is your another bonus tip. If you want to work on pigmentation or to control oiliness and acne, then you can also add some active scum moisturizer to get some extra benefit to your skin. And my top picks are Excellence Supla Moisturizer for oily skin. The niacinamide in this moisturizer will regulate the sebum production and help soothing your skin. EGA Cream and Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Moisturizer or great retinol based moisturizer that will work on early signs of aging. And to know your skin types, cleansers, moisturizers and sunscreens of your skin type, check out my other videos. The third step of the skincare routine is sun protection. What is sunscreen? Last but not the least, it's a crucial step in your skincare routine. You might skip moisturizer at 8 am if you feel greasy or oily, but sunscreen is negotiable, be it sunny, cloudy or rainy. If you want to start skincare, you should be applying sunscreen all year round. Protection is better than cure, right? As the name implies, sunscreen is to protect your skin from skin damaging UV rays, and our sunscreen can also protect our skin from dust and other environmental pollutions. So how to use sunscreen? If you're gonna stay at home all the day, 2 fingers of sunscreen is enough for the whole day. If you feel like getting more sun rays from windows, then you can reapply twice a day. If you're going out, then you will need 3 fingers of sunscreen to cover your whole face and neck. And if you're gonna stay long in the sun, then reapplication of sunscreen 2 to 3 hours is necessary. So, have you heard that? Yes, you should be applying 2 teaspoons of sunscreen in one go and it's lot, but it's necessary if you want to start sunscreen. And don't forget to wash it off completely before you go to sleep because it will clog your pores and create so many problems later on. And here is a bonus tip for you. I can understand you might be thinking, how can I apply 2 or 3 fingers of sunscreen all over my face? I will look like a greasy ball or a white ghost. But trust me guys, I have great sunscreen for all skin types and that too without any white cast. So there is no hassle of applying 2 teaspoons of sunscreen all over your face and neck every day. And they are Biore UV Aqua Rich Watery Essence SPF 50, Biore UV Aqua Rich Watery Gel SPF 50, L'Oreal Paris UV Perfect Super Aqua Essence SPF 50, FCL Sunscreen SPF 80, Innisfree Hyaluronic Acid Watery Sun Gel SPF 50, and Reucal Ultra Matte Dry Touch Sunscreen Gel for oily skin. For just a recap, take a screenshot of this skincare routine for morning and night and let it be a starting point for getting that healthy glowing skin of your better version. So I hope you enjoyed this video and got some value out of it. If you have any queries, doubts or suggestions, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this video, hit the like button and click on the subscribe button and bell icon to get more like this video. Like I said before, if you have any pigmentation or dark spot issues on your face and want to try out some luxurious skincare brand, then check out the first link in the description box below right now. Also, if you want customized skincare routine designed by skincare professionals, then check out the second link in the description box below. And thanks for patiently watching my video. I will see you soon with another interesting and informative video on skincare and hair care. Until then, bye from Ashika. Have a glowing and a healthy skin.